Hi guys, I love the combination of rice and chicken. It's a splendid one, but we can't make biryani every day. Keeping that in mind, I got a dish from the streets of Delhi, Chatpata Dhaba style chicken tawa pulao. So let's start cooking. For the beginning, we'll start with the marination. I have taken half kg chicken. In that, first I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Now let's mix it nicely. After mixing all the chicken nicely in the marination, I'm going to let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Let's start making the masala. As the pan starts heating up, first I'm going to add little mustard oil. With that, little ghee. Start adding the whole spices. First I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 4 pieces of green cardamom, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, few cloves, and cumin seeds. Nicely mix it. And once it starts releasing the aroma, I'm going to add sliced garlic, sliced ginger. Cook it on a low flame. Saute till it gets nice golden color. By the time the garlic and ginger is getting done, let's start slicing the onion. Let's put it in the pan. I'm going to cook the onion till it gets nice and translucent, and then we'll blend it into a fine puree. At this stage, you can see the onion has become translucent. I'm going to switch off the gas, transfer all the onion into the jar, and blend it into a fine puree. Now we'll use the same pan which we used for frying the onion earlier. Once the pan starts heating up, I'm going to add oil. As the oil starts heating up, I'm going to transfer the onion puree back into the pan. Let's cook it for a few minutes. After cooking the onion for 2 to 3 minutes, the color has changed a little bit. I'm going to transfer my marinated chicken into the pan. Mix the chicken nicely with the onion masala. I've sauteed the chicken for 15 minutes. As you can see, it's almost ready. Now I'm going to add tomato puree and chopped green chilies. Mix it up nicely. After mixing tomato puree and chili, now I'm going to add red chili powder, yellow chili powder, garam masala, little bit of dry mango powder, coriander powder, and last, black pepper, cumin powder. Let's saute it nicely and cook till the rawness of the masala is gone. As you can see, there's a nice creamy texture in the gravy. The reason is we made onion puree in the beginning. While the masala gets cooked, I'm going to add little water to the chicken. Mix it up a little bit. I'm going to cover the chicken and let it cook on a medium flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, my chicken is ready. Now I'm going to add a little salt to the chicken. Mix it up nicely. I'm going to add chopped coriander, a good amount of it, and put the rice on top of the chicken. To make the pulao chatpata, I'm going to add little mint chutney. With that, julienne of tomato. And lastly, I'm going to add fried onion and dum cook it for 5 minutes. My chatpata tawa pulao is ready. I'm going to start mixing it from the sides. making sure the rice don't get mashed up, and also making sure the masala get nicely mixed. Now let's start plating. For the final garnish, again I'm going to add a little bit of mint chutney. With that, I'm going to add some chopped mint, some sliced lemon, and finally finishing it with julienne of tomato. Here you go guys, your Delhi Dhaba style chicken pulao is ready. Do try making this at home and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.